Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, or plants. Here you can see our presentation plan. First, let's understand what these GMOs are all about. GMOs are organisms whose genes have been modified using genetic engineering technologies. These changes can be made to improve their properties or add new ones. Here are benefits of genetically modified plants. Biotechnology has increased crop yields and productivity, making agriculture more sustainable and addressing global food insecurity. Genetic modification can enhance the nutritional content of crops, such as golden rice, which contains higher levels of vitamin A. Drought-tolerant crops can be developed through genetic modification, which is becoming increasingly important due to climate change. Biotechnology has enabled the development of crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, improving food security. And genetic modification allows for more targeted changes to be made to the plant's DNA, leading to significant time savings in the development of new crop varieties. Now let's talk about potential harms for health. Genetically engineered crops can introduce new allergens into foods, which can be harmful to sensitive individuals. Research shows that some genetically modified soybeans can cause reactions in people allergic to Brazil nuts. Antibiotic resistance genes in foods can reduce the effectiveness of antibiotics and transfer resistance to human or animal pathogens, aggravating the problem of antibiotic-resistant disease organisms. Some genetically modified crops can remove heavy metals from the soil, but there is a risk of contaminating foods with high levels of toxic metals if genetic on-off switches are not completely turned off in edible tissues. GMO crops can contaminate conventional crops and cause food recalls, as seen in the case of Bayer Cropscience's unapproved J-rice contaminating commercial long-grain rice supplies in 2006. Genetically engineered plants could become new or worse weeds, causing harm to crop yields or natural ecosystems, as seen with the example of a salt-tolerant rice plant invading marine estuaries. Addition of foreign genes to plants could harm wildlife, such as mice or deer consuming crop debris from plants engineered to produce plastics or pharmaceuticals, or fish containing metal-sequestering proteins being consumed by other animals. Now please look at the statistics of real-life cases of GMO use. As you can see from the statistics, the use of GMOs is becoming more and more widespread in the modern world. For example, in India, in less than 10 years, there has been an almost complete replacement of cotton with a genetically modified version of cotton. So, genetically modified organisms have raised concerns due to potential environmental risks, health and biodiversity safety issues, and ethical and economic issues, creating a position where the downsides of GMOs are perceived to be greater despite their potential benefits in increasing crop yields and reducing pesticide consumption. Thanks for your attention. Yes, I know it was pretty stuffy, but look at this awesome watermelon SHREK.